Hey crafty cuties, welcome back to Paper Terrace. I have a very fun unboxing to share with you today, and we're going to organize my craft room a little bit. I'm going to show you how I add one of the IKEA pegboards to my standing desk, which you'll get to see in a moment, and we'll get to try out some of these wonderful accessories. So thanks to Just Hangin' Pegboards for sending me some lovely items. If you want to check them out, they are a family-owned business, which I absolutely love, and I will put their link below. We're gonna go in and let's see, everything was wrapped so nicely. I'm gonna get an idea of, I just figured I'll take out all of the packages first. And I see maybe a little note, and it says, "We are excited to collaborate with you. Thank you for sharing creativity with the world. We can't wait to see what you create with our products, Alex and Abby." So, oh, I love that they have a picture. Okay, so this gives you an idea of what their accessories look like. There is pretty much an accessory for any type of thing that you need to organize. So whether you have a sewing room, a craft room, this could be for a garage, a kitchen. There's really cool pieces. I'm just gonna go in and grab one by one. They so kindly sent me basically everything that was on my wish list, and I was not expecting that. Okay, so this is cool. I can't wait to put this up. So this is, you know, a little organizing tray, but look, it's pink. I am so excited. And we have the little pieces to put it up. Oh, okay, these I believe are for spools of thread. I think so. I'm gonna have to look again on their website just to remember what everything kind of was, because it's hard to remember just from looking. Again, I believe, oh, this I think is some type of, like, it could probably be for washi tapes or anything round, I think. Again, we'll have to peek. Let's go with this. So we have tons of trays and stuff. So I think I'm going to quickly just unwrap all of this, but again, it's going to be more beneficial for you to see them actually on the pegboard. This is a really cool organizer as well. And I bet in here is going to be, oh, no, not what I was thinking. I don't remember. Oh, you know what? I think that these are what I can use to hang my pegboard. So I'm really glad that I haven't put the pegboard up yet. I will show you how I add it to my table. We've got some more pieces. I love the color of pink, and I love that they had so many different colors to choose from. Okay, I think this is for labels, because I did order a label maker, or sorry, a label printer, and I have not set it up yet, but I'll probably try to, just so I can try it out. I think this is for scissors. Oh, this is gonna be so cute. This is a little whiteboard. That's gonna be so fun, and I can put little notes on it or reminders for the day. Okay, last item. This is seriously so much. And oh, this is the little table for the actual 3D, or no, for the thermal printer. I'm getting too excited here. All right, so first we need to put up the new pegboard that I have. Okay, so here is the standing desk that I am going to be adding a new pegboard to. It's obviously kind of not in the best condition, but I think we'll be able to cover most of it up. And I'm using the IKEA Scatus right here, and I'm just going to add one. So we're gonna put that up. I actually wish that I would have used these on the pegboards that I already have up on the sides of my calyx unit, because what happens is if you take a pegboard like this, and then you can put it up with command strips, which they included, but if you put it up flush with the wall, then when you go to put in anything in the pegboard, it doesn't have enough space for anything to really be pushed in all of the way. Mine have worked okay, but this is going to basically give you some space between the wall, or sorry, the table and the pegboard. And so these look pretty easy to attach. I think I will put it up in the corner here, and I have this little screw from my pegboard, and then this side has a little spot where you can screw that into before putting the command strips on. So I'm going to go ahead and screw these on, and it screws in perfectly. And there are 4 of these little command strip attachers, or I forgot what the name was for these ones, but I will have all of the links below for anything that I show. And I love that they also obviously include the command strips, exactly the amount that you will need. So I'm going to put 2 of those, I'm going to sandwich them together. And then you can remove one side of the command strip adhesive and place it to this connector. Hopefully I'm doing this right. And then you'll remove the other side when you are ready to put it on the designated area. Luckily with the command strips, you can reposition if needed. I think that's pretty straight. So I don't know if that's quite what I had envisioned, but it's just gonna have to work for now, and I can workshop it later. So each accessory piece has these little indents on the back, and you get these little adapter pieces that look like a little J or whatever, and you're gonna just pop it into the hole, and then you turn it a 90-degree angle, and then it's in there nice and snug. So then go ahead, and I'm doing this kind of backwards on camera, so bear with me, but go ahead and just add these little pieces to all of those areas, and then you can start decorating your pegboard. So I'm gonna go ahead and I will just add these to all of the pieces so that we can quickly start getting everything set up. Okay, so I decided on which accessories would go over here, at least to start with. It's going to take me a bit to kind of organize. And then I have some of the organizers for sewing and like the bobbins, which are really cool. And since I sew on the table that's behind me, I think I will actually use some of the accessories on the pegboards behind my sewing machine. So I figure for this video, I'll focus on this, but I'll still show you what I end up using those other items for. I'm just gonna play around with placement for a bit because I think you just have to kind of get started here. Ooh, this is fun. And so that's what I'm going to do. I'll start playing around, and once I make some progress, I will bring you back in. Ooh, those go in nice and easy though. That is so cute. I've got a spot for our rulers now. And I can never find my ruler, so that's going to be very exciting. Pick out some of my favorite washi tapes. I think the smaller ones fit better, but I think that they had different sizes for these as well. Fit 2 of the smaller ones on here. Okay, I actually decided to put these collage paper rolls from Tim Holtz, and I might ask the company, what was this actually supposed to be for a paper towel roll, or if I have it all set up correctly. However, this could actually be really cool because a lot of times I forget to use these collage papers because I don't have a good way to store them. So I might end up actually buying a couple more so that I can actually always have this out. This little whiteboard, you can have it go vertical or horizontal. Now I'm going to start filling it up, and I want to put things in that I actually like use often, so I'm just going to have to just play around with placement. I might have to move a few things, but I think I'll be able to free up quite a bit of space over here. So just going to bring that a little closer here. see, you know, I might end up being able to get rid of some things because I'm gonna realize some of the things that I don't need. Got a place for pins. I'm gonna put some of my bone folders in here. I'm gonna play around with this for a bit now. Well, here is the final pegboard. I love how this turned out. It was so much fun to customize, and I love how the pink color just gives my craft room a little pop of my favorite color. And I definitely want to go back and purchase a few more items. So this is the pegboard that we created together. And then over on my sewing machine area, I did a studio vlog and I showed more of me reorganizing this area. I only had a few of their accessories to add to this pegboard, but it was perfect to finish it off and just make everything look so nice and cute. Thanks to Just Hangin' Pegboards. Thank you so much for sending me these lovely items. If you guys want to go check them out, I'm going to have their website down below. Definitely go support a family-owned business, and I will see you guys in the next video. Have a great day. Bye.